Hey guys, what's up? I am very bald. Okay, you guys are probably thinking like this is a really trash ass application of this bald cat method, and you would be absolutely right. She's really not in that great of shape over here. But today we have a little wig haul. Hopefully you guys can take me seriously right now. I spent $100 on all 3 wigs, but one of them was the priciest and she might not have been worth it, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the shortest wig first. This is from Janet Collection. This is the Emami Wig. I feel like this is very popular on YouTube, and I've seen this so many times. Everybody finesses this wig so well and makes it look so damn good, but I really got it because I wanted to get that kind of vintage vibe. Pretty much all these wigs are mostly for like photo purposes. I'm gonna look like a swimmer right now when I put this on. I know you're thinking, damn, you look stupid right now. And once again, you'd be right. It is so hard for me to wear any type of short, pixie, short, any kind of haircut wigs because I have a tiny head. The purpose of this wig right here isn't just for me to wear it out like this. I bought it so that I could wear it with a scarf because I just thought it was gonna look so vintage and cute. And then we can even kick it up a little notch here. And now it's just a whole vibe, really. And it gives me a little throwback moment to when I used to do the finger waves. And I can't believe that I used to do that every day because now I barely even comb my hair. So this one is also Janet Collection. This one is synthetic. This one is actually human hair that I have on my head. Not like it really matters, so I'm not really gonna do anything heat related to it or anything crazy. This one right here, it just got the invisible parting as well, not like a full lace front or anything like that. So I did end up cutting bangs on her, and I'm gonna show you right now when I put it on. These curls are stunning. As soon as I saw it, I was like, damn, like I gotta have that. And what's so funny is anytime I put on a curly wig, everybody's like, oh my god, you look like your daughter so much. I'm absolutely in love with this. The curl pattern is stunning. It's so beautiful. These are not like any type of like wet style curls. This is like more big. You got a little fluff to it, a little zhuzh. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what this looks like on. So you're back. This one just makes me feel very angelic. Very whimsical. Okay, so this is Gabriela right here. Like I said, these curls are stunning to die for. I just took pictures in this with a red lip and then this red beret on. And honestly, like, living my best life, you know? She's also got 2 combs in the front, I believe, and then 1 in the back. Without a hat on, to me, this gives me a little lump on my head, like a little cone head type of situation. You clip it into the back of your wig cap, that completely fixes the problem. And yeah, that's all I really have to say about her. She's just real cute. We did a little hat change, but this is the final wig, last but not least. This was the most expensive wig in the bunch, okay? She's bad and bougie. She was about $50, so almost half the entire purchase. She is the Sensational Synthetic Cloud 9 What Lace Hairline Illusion Swiss Lace Wig in Celeste. I like have all the actual price points and everything down below in the description and the colors and everything like that as well. This one right here, I have some pros and cons about her. The pros being that it comes basically pre-plucked. The hairline in the front is very thinned out compared to a regular synthetic wig. Like, there is such a small amount of hair in the front. Everything's all plucked for you and ready to go pretty much. The cons being that she's really tangly. And this, like, I expect to be tangly, okay? I expect this to get tangled. This, though, I mean, like, she has some pretty soft little waves, you know, going on. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on really quick and show you guys what she looks like. I wanna show you what the difference between the middle part and the side part looks like. So you do have other parting space. It's a lace wig, so you have space if you want to just part it, but I just twist it to the side just to kind of show you guys what's up real quick. But I actually prefer her as a side part, which is surprising. This has me just feeling real grown. I look a lot younger than I am, but like when I throw on like a really voluminous wig like this, like it makes me feel my age, you know what I'm saying? The whole point of this wig and the whole reason I wanted it is for this money piece right here. So this is the entire reason why I purchased this wig and why I was so sold on it. But the real way that you should, in my opinion, wear these type of wigs is in the middle, because I love the look of the bleach streaks in the front. See, this is already tangled. This is all over my face already. I'm putting her as a side part, okay? But you guys at least know what she would look like if she was a middle part. I'm just not a middle part girl. I've never been. Never. If I'm being honest, I already have my scissors out. I'm gonna cut her, okay? Because the length just seems a little unnecessary. I'm not big on length. I don't care about length. I really want it to be like a medium length hair because I want it to only go to where the money piece goes down to. So we're just gonna cut her with eyebrow scissors because This is what I do at night. You already see the difference? It just looks straggly to me. This one looks more like a style. I just feel so much more light, so much more fresh, just such a look. If I actually go in and like fix the front and pluck out a little bit more hairs in the front on the hairline and conceal it and make it look really nice. I've seen this wig on other people look spectacular, but pretty much everybody said it was tangly and I didn't listen. But I think with the extra length off, it might help the tangles a little bit. So she definitely doesn't give me that at all. So she's not a vintage girl. This reminds me of Little Bo Peep, so I just can't. What do we think? Did you like it longer? Did you like it better as the middle part? Let me know down below in the comments. I definitely want to hear your guys' input on this. I mean, it's not like I can go back now, but at least I'll know. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know this one was a little bit of a quickie. I'm used to doing like a wig haul where it's like at least 5 wigs or so, but you know, it was just Christmas. Like, I'm trying to save a little bit of money. I didn't want to go all out, all crazy. Plus, these ones were a little bit more pricey than the ones that I usually purchase. Let me know down below in the comments which wig was your favorite. Like I said, they're not all like just go out and rock them kind of wigs. Some of them are like just like a little style, you know what I'm saying? I also bought these fake bangs off Amazon. I bought these ones and then a pair that has like the hair on the sides. And I kind of want to do a video showing like how to apply fake bangs and like how I style them with my real hair, because you guys know my hair is really, really short and like a hot ass mess. But let me know if you guys want to see that, because I have these just on deck, just kind of chilling. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.